Samsung is currently suffering the worst leak of centuries as the unreleased Galaxy S23 Ultra is already being sold, got unboxed, camera tested, and much more. This is quite insane and definitely has never happened before because we have the actual retail model in action. But before that, we gotta take a look at one of the most awaited upgrades, which is the significant improvement to Samsung's portrait mode video. Yes, according to Universe, finally with the S23 Ultra, the portrait mode video will have the support for 4K 30 FPS. With the higher resolution, you can expect even better quality, and now with an even better blur and subject separation, which was already so good on last year's model, now even next level with the S23 series. Now coming back to the unboxings, we have the lavender/pink model of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, looking not as pinkish as the renders when it comes to real life look. Of course, inside the box, you're just going to see the phone and the SIM ejector tool along with some paperwork and the USB-C cable. This right here is the new green color, which is a bit lighter than last year's model, kind of looks a bit gray. Now people are still talking about the new box design, and I guess to be honest, they could have done a better job by at least making the phone a bit bigger. But let me know what you prefer. Do you like the older S letter or this new one? Drop a comment. Now out comes the camera samples, and this is the first selfie image sample. You can see what a quality difference next to the Pixel 7 Pro. It is looking absolutely stunning with noticeably more detail. Do keep in mind that Samsung will push a Snapdragon ISP update as revealed by Universe, so what you're seeing right now is probably not the final result. It's gonna get even more optimized. The night performance is freaking dope, incredible results even in practically no light at all. Taking a look at the zoom samples which are being compared to the S22 Ultra, you can see we have a pretty nice noticeable difference in terms of the colors and the details. With the latest hardware, even with the same lenses, we're seeing better improvements. So far, overall, I'm really liking the results. The 200 megapixel sensor on the S23 Ultra has been underrated in the news, but so far it seems to be delivering the exact upgrades we needed over the S22 Ultra. Again, stay tuned on the channel as we get our hands on the S23 series, so make sure to subscribe. That's all of this news. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.